Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Carla and I like all things stationery. In this video, I'm gonna be opening the October stationery subscription box from Your Creative Studio, and this is the last stationery box from them that I will be opening. And I will talk more about that a little further on. So, Your Creative Studio has these fabulous vintage stationery boxes, and I subscribed to 3 months of them. We're starting off by unboxing some of the stamps. Usually these boxes come with at least 2 packages with stamps. And we have this very beautiful vintage label one. And in the second one, we have a bunch of miniature flowers and other designs. Then we move on to the washi tape. I'm not really sure what to call this one, but it kind of looks like this British old wallpaper kind of pattern. I think it's really cute. Moving on, we have these labels. They all seem to be the same shape. They come with a little twine and they have this circular kind of window that you can open up. I'm not sure I'm a fan of these. I would actually prefer them not to have this little window, since I usually use these to give washi tape samples and I don't really need to have a hole in the middle of it. Then we have these stickers, which appear to be labels from different types of products. Honestly, this is not really my style. I don't use these type of products in my crafting, but we'll see what I can come up with. Then we move on to these little papers. I absolutely love these. All these vintage looking frames. These I will definitely use, since I often use this on my Happy Mails to write the address. Moving on, we have the customary teeny tiny stickers. By now, if you've seen my previous unboxing videos, you know that I'm not a fan of these. I do love all the designs and the colors, but I just wish they were a little bit bigger. I just think they're really small. Moving on, we have this type of, I'm gonna say handmade paper, or kind of textured paper. We have this one that is like a white net. Then this one that I thought was the same, but it isn't, with these white little dots. And then we have a bunch of papers that are just printed to look like they have a pattern, but they are actually just smooth. We have quite a variety of these, and one of each kind. Moving on, we have a set of square papers. These are all blank on one of the sides, which it's quite great. I mean, of course, sometimes you want to have some nice pattern on both ends, but you're gonna see soon enough that for me that just makes the choice harder between which side to choose. So I really like these ones with the white on the back, and these patterns are absolutely beautiful. Just look at these flower ones. I definitely gonna be using these. We move on to the second set of squared papers. This is more like we've seen on the previous boxes, where you have 3 of each kind. The first one being of a thicker paper material and the 2 others of something thinner. And they have different patterns or different prints on the back and the front. Again, I absolutely love all these prints. Now that I've started using these from other boxes, I have this feeling that since the images themselves are so busy, there's a lot going on there, it gets a little bit tricky to use these as background for something else, because then I feel guilty for covering them up with a pocket or a sticker or something else. So I'm still not sure how to handle these or how to use them in the most appropriate way, so to speak, if there's any way like that. We also got, as usual in these boxes, one sticker sheet with different sentences that could be related to the theme of the box, and one sticker sheet with letters that I've mentioned before. This is not really my style, and I will be passing these along to some of my pen pals. We continue to this massive amount of stickers. They're different sizes, different shapes, different illustrations, and a little bit random. We are also given this envelope pocket. I kind of messed up this reconstruction part. I'm not sure if this was meant to hold all these stickers or not. But anyway, it is what it is. We are coming to the end of this unboxing, and all that remains for me to talk about are the reasons why I won't be ordering any more subscription boxes. And they are quite simple. Number 1, these 3 boxes gave me so much stationery and paper stamps that I don't know what to do with, and I want to make a dent in this material before ordering something else. Number 2, and probably the main reason, is that this box is from the United States. I live in Sweden. It means that the shipping time is 3 to 4 weeks. And apart from that, I have to pay custom taxes when the box arrives. So it turns out to be a little bit more expensive than just the cost of the box plus shipping. And for me at this moment, it's not worth it. I think in the future, for the next year, I might instead spend that money supporting some European artists, and I could get some of their things without having to pay import taxes on them. As usual, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye!